back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product, and the product that I'm going to review today is another amazing ready to eat food from McCain, which is the McCain Crazy Fries. This is a new product from McCain which has been launched in the market right now, and these are the new Crazy Fries from McCain with the masala mix. So like you get those fries in McDonald's or the other fast food joints where you get fries with the peri peri mix, this is a similar kind of a product here. They provide you with fries in like a crazy shape along with a masala mix within the packet itself. So this is a new product from McCain, and this is what we are going to review today. So let's start with the review. Let's start first of all with the packaging of the product. The first thing that we can notice here, it's a completely vegetarian product. The next thing here is a McCain logo. The big McCain logo can be seen here. Then we have the brand or the product name here, Crazy Fries with masala mix. So this is the new packing here, new product from McCain, which is the Crazy Fries with masala mix. McCain also has many other products like French fries. They have the smileys. They have potato puffs, potato wedges, aloo tikki, and recently they have launched a new type of similar to smileys. They have launched the McCain emojis. So they have not only the smileys, potato smileys, but at that you have the different emoji shapes as well. So which is really cool and like very attractive for children. So where children really like that part, the way it looks. So we will be reviewing that also in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that. So coming back to the product, like this is the packaging here, very simple plastic packaging. Use the McCain red color packing here. What they have given here is an illustration of the Crazy Fries. The way they look, they have the zigzag shape on them, and then there's a masala mixture that you get to top it off with. Then here they have mentioned that you need to store it in the freezer, and you can cook this without thawing it, so there's no need to remove the packet out and thaw the product before you cook it. So this is a hot and tangy masala that you get with the product. So that is mentioned on the front side of the product. This is all that has been mentioned here. Moving on the back side of the product. So on the back side they have mentioned the ingredients of the product. What are the ingredients? So the ingredients for the Crazy Fries is potato and palmolein oil. The hot and tangy masala mix contains dehydrated vegetable powders which contain garlic, tomato, onion, tamarind, salt, mixed spices and herbs, and chili and black pepper, oregano, sugar, acidity regulators, and anti-caking agents. So that are the ingredients of the Crazy Fries and the masala that comes with it. Moving below, they have mentioned the nutrition value of the product. And then there are the multiple licensing and various other information. The net weight of this package is 400 gram, and the McCain Crazy Fries with masala mix is priced at rupees 120 for 400 grams packet. So the MRP of the product is rupees 120, which is very nominally charged, like quite good charging. Like if you go to have any fries, if you buy a large fries at McDonald's, it will cost you over rupees 150 for a box of large fries. So they have nominally charges, and you know what you're cooking, and it's like it's cooked at home. Coming on the right hand side, they have shown the method of preparation. One is deep fry. You can deep fry the product. So they have mentioned the complete cooking instructions step by step. You just need to follow the cooking instructions. I'm going to show you all. I'm going to cook it and show you all how does it look going ahead. But this is how you need to cook it. Then again the vegetarian logo here, and then again the feedback. So if you have any feedback, you can send them on this address here, or you can give them a call, or you can email them on the email ID here. And then they are mentioned their social media handles as well here, along with their website. So this is all the information given on the pack. Let's go and open the pack and see how does the McCain Crazy Fry actually look like. So here are my pair of scissors. I'm just going to cut this open. So yeah, so I opened the packet here, and I'm just going to quickly reach out to the try and see how does it actually look. So here is one of the crazy fries. So it has this zigzag shape. You all can see this. So this is how the fry is going to look. So these are the fries which you can remove and directly deep fry it. And along with the fries, they are given a packet of masala here. So this is the McCain Hot and Tangy Masala mix packet that comes along with the McCain Crazy Fries. So I think there are multiple packets. I think there are 2 packets of masala that you get. So you get 2 packets of masala, 8 grams each. Each of this packet is 8 grams in net weight of the packet. So you get a total of 16 grams of masala inside the packet. And a lot of fries, like a full bag full of fries. So for which this masala is more than enough. So yeah, overall look and feel of the product is nice. I like the way it looks. It has a very different shape than the original fries. Like it has a zigzag shape, which will get the kids excited and interested in it. So you can see it has a very nicely shaped zigzag shape. Each fry is like properly shaped. It's not like they are giving you small pieces. And there's a long pieces of fries, which is like a finger sized pieces of fries, and along with the 2 packets of masala. So let's go and cook it up and see how does the product taste. Let's do a taste test on this. Here we have added the masala fries, which is a crazy fries from McCain, in the oil for deep frying. So you just need to fry it for like 3 minutes till it turns golden brown, and then you can take it off on a paper towel. So yeah, so let's cook it for 3 minutes right now. Okay, after frying, these are the McCain Crazy Fries here. So we have fried the crazy fries. They look really crispy and nice and long and brown. And what we are going to do is we are going to add a little bit of the spice mix, the McCain Hot and Tangy Masala mix on the fries, and then I'm going to do a taste test to see how good these McCain Crazy Fries taste as compared to the fries which are available in these popular fast food joints like McDonald's. So let's go ahead, let's add a bit of the masala mix on the McCain Crazy Fries. It's time for a taste test. Here I have a McCain Crazy Fry, and I have sprinkled it with the masala that they gave me, the hot and tangy masala from McCain. So I have sprinkled that on the crazy fry. See, look at the shape of the fry. It looks so amazing, like really fancily shaped fries these are. So this is the moment of truth. I'm going to do a taste right now. Very crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Very nice, like much better than the french fries available at McDonald's or Burger King or any of these fast food joints. This tastes much better, and it didn't even take me 3 minutes to fry them up, and really amazing. The flavor is so amazing, I just can't stop eating it. This is too good. So the McCain Crazy Fries are really good. I would rate them 5 on 5 for the taste, for the texture, for the amount of fries that come in the bag. So for 400 grams, rupees 120 for 400 grams fries, that's a lot. So I would say, instead of going out to these fast food joints to enjoy fries, get a packet of McCain at home, get it fried. Within 3 minutes, you will have a whole plate of fries available for you to enjoy. And the masala, the tangy masala, the spicy and tangy masala just goes crazy with this. Like, the combination is just amazing. You will forget eating the peri fries at McDonald's. So that's how good these fries are. I can't stop eating. Yeah. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing food reviews.